Well, my name is Mauro Henrique. I'm the painter for This Old House TV show and Ask This Old House, but I also have my business going out there. I was born in São Paulo, Brazil, but now I live here in Boston, and I love it. Because when I start as a carpenter apprentice or helper. I used to help in this carpenter. But then one day the painter didn't show up, and my boss said, "We need to get this house done." The guy said, "Can you paint?" I said, "I can try." And then I did good. And that night I went home and I said to my wife, "I think I like painting. It's fun, and I can get a lot of work done, and I'm happy. I'm just happy to see the room done in 1 day or 2 days." And that's when I start painting. There's a lot of things involved when you paint a room, when you paint for someone else. Everybody likes different colors, and everybody likes to get the room done or whatever the painting project done as fast as you can. But a lot of people don't realize that for them to be happy with what I'm doing, it takes a little time. It takes a few steps to get into it and to get what they expect. The colors is a funny thing. If they ask me, I say, this color is going to do this, this, and that for this room. Is that what you're looking for? People said, "Oh, I love this color," but a darker color into a room that you don't have enough lighting, enough light breaking through the windows, or you have a skylight. Most of the times, you're going to size down that room by using a darker color. Nobody wants to size down the room, and color does that a lot. So they love the color, but sometimes they could use that color somewhere else. And if you are not happy right away, trust me, believe me, you're not going to be happy later. Like you said, "Oh, I'll get used to it. Oh, I'll get through that, but I think I'm not sure about." But that "not sure about" means I don't like it. And that means you're not going to like it later. So that's how color works. It's a very particular kind of thing. It's a personal thing. I love greens and I love blues. Those are the nice colors. That's all colors that you see out there on nature. You see a lot of blues and you see a lot of greens. That's what I like.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.